Welcome to another video in the Mallincam series. Today we're going to talk about the auto capture technique. And this is a nice way of saving a whole bunch of still images. Rather than just shooting one, we could have it shoot 10 or 20 in a row for us. So the first thing we'll do is make sure our camera is plugged in. Start MallincamSky. You'll notice that I'm using SkyRadar AG 1.2. So I'll activate my camera, and I'm shooting a nice daytime image of looks like some trees and part of a hydropole. So adjust your exposures and your white balance the way that you would like. And we're going to be using this little clock auto capture technique. Now you can just click on the clock, or you can go to capture and click on the line item here that says auto capture, or you can even just hit F7. But I like using the clock up here. Now before we go and press this, we want to tell the MallincamSky exactly where to save these images. To do that, go into Options, Preferences, scroll down, and you will see auto capture, and it will give you what you've ever used before, or the default, which is document/MallincamSky. So you can change the directory location, but this is fine for me. I'm going to have a subdirectory which is going to be the date. Now again, you can choose different versions, you can have it go date and year, then month and day within a subdirectory, but I like this one. And I'm going to be using 001, 002, and you can again adjust this as your requirements. And even for a prefix, I'm just going to put the word hydro, H-Y-D-R-O, and again I put no space beside it, behind it. I'm going to save it as a PNG, but you have again all these options, including the fits, which is a cool way of saving some of the parameters that are inside here as well. And it gives you a final double check so you can get an idea where these things are going to go, and it shows you that it's going to go into this subdirectory and have to start with this name here. Perfect. Now you have two modes of capture. One is to take a picture every X amount of seconds. So this is going to be every 6 seconds. And make sure that this time is longer than the exposure time, so it has a chance to download the image into MallincamSky and then save it to your drive. So 6 is certainly a lot bigger than 6 milliseconds. I'm going to just change this to 3. I want to take a picture every 3 milliseconds, and I don't want 100. You can put as many as you need, or you can have it keep going forever, but I'm going to have it go to 10. Now, if you would like it to save one image after the next, after it's processed one image, you would then choose capture every frame. You just click over here, it grays out this, and again it will capture, in this case, 10 images after it's produced every frame. But I want to run and do let's say a picture every 3 seconds. I wanted to do 10 pictures. Alrighty, so once you've got this, we apply it and say OK. And we go to our fancy little clock icon that says auto capture, and we click on it, and if you notice on the bottom, it's starting to do that. Every 3 seconds it's going to take a picture. So it's taking the first picture, the second picture. It'll just run through, and as you can see, it's going to take up to 10 images. So just watch this thing tick away. If you're doing a lot of images outside, right, and you're older, 20 or 30, this would be a good time to go and get something to drink. Right? So we're 9 and we're back to 10. So it's actually saved all these images, and I'll just show you where it's put them. So we'll go to our folder. There's today's date that I shot this inside here, and there are my 10 images, right? Hydro 1 all the way to Hydro 10. Simple as that. There we go. So hopefully this was helpful. And as usual, if you have any questions, just go online to our user group, post those questions, and somebody will get back to you with a possible solution. So again, thank you for watching.